My name is James Braswell, and I am the Customer Support Manager at Macrometa. The best things about working at Macrometa are the people and the technology. We are a remote-first company, so we get to work with really interesting people from all over the world, some excellent technical and business minds. And the technology that we're creating in the edge computing space is really exciting. We're solving problems that haven't been solved before, and that's one of my favorite parts about working at Macrometa. So Macrometa's primary product is something called the GDN, which stands for Global Data Network. And that's comprised of three main parts. So we have our Global Data Mesh, which is a polymodel NoSQL database that also supports search and streams, and that allows our users to store and move their data wherever they need it in the world. We also have Edge Compute, which allows the data that our customers are working with to be processed at the edge as close to their users as possible, which results in really low latency for the end user of these products. And then lastly, we have some strong data protection features. So things that will help our customers comply with GDPR or other data governance and compliance concerns. So those are the primary features of the Macrometa GDN product. I think the biggest appeal to supporting this product is that it's very dynamic. We support developers and enterprises that are running applications in a bunch of different industries. So as a result, what you're working on any given day is likely to be different maybe than the day before. And we also work really collaboratively with other departments within the company. So, for example, we work closely with our SRE team, we work closely with our engineering team, with our documentation team, and I think that makes for an interesting and challenging work environment. Well, I think it's difficult to say what the primary benefit of the product is because we're really solving different problems for different users. So for some of our users, the low latency to their end users is the primary benefit. It speeds up their applications and gives their users a better user experience. For others, the sort of hyper-distributed qualities of the platform, allowing data to be replicated across multiple different geographic locations is the primary benefit. And then for others, the simplicity of securing their data in whatever region they may need to comply with is the primary benefit. So it really depends on the customer's use case, but one certain benefit is that you get all of those options and all of those tools when you work with Macrometa. There's really nothing too unique about our structure. We operate similarly to probably a lot of software companies. We have sales, marketing, SRE, QA, engineering, support, of course. So it's pretty straightforward in that regard. In a few years, I see Macrometa continuing to make a really big impact in the edge computing industry. Of course, I think that there will be more users, which is always the goal. But in addition to that, I think we're just going to continue to solve really hard problems that no one else has been able to crack. So I just envision a lot of success in Macrometa's future. I think about BlueGrid as a partner. They've been our primary means for staffing our support team since I've joined, and we've developed a very good working relationship. It's been collaborative, it's been rewarding, and clearly they have their clients' interests as a top priority. It can be challenging to find candidates that can support a cutting-edge technology. Supporting the product or products that Macrometa has requires a very specific skill set, and BlueGrid has been very focused on ensuring that they bring us the best candidates to fit that role. So they've worked to make themselves available as a resource to us after our initial hiring was completed, and that's really strengthened our team, and it's certainly strengthened our working relationship with BlueGrid.